The outcome of today, pleading guilty, is this a good outcome for your client?
I think so. This is as a result of a lot of work and sifting through a lot of information and documents and a lot of work with the government. And it was a very cooperative venture to move through all of the different charges and to finally arrive at a resolution that was acceptable to both sides.
Are you going to, in your pre-sentencing recommendation, if you do file one, ask for probation?
We will be asking for the lowest common denominator that is available to the judge. So the next step, really the way it works, is working with the probation officer who is assigned to do the pre-sentence investigation, and working with her, and then so we take it one step at a time. We see what she has to say, and then we fashion our response accordingly.
This judge always seems to ask clients if they understand that they've done something wrong, and express remorse. Kind of likes to hear that from the people in front of him. Is that something that you think RoShawn is in that category?
Well, you were there. You heard the plea. He accepts the statement of facts that were read into the record. Pled guilty because he is guilty to those statement of facts. Accepts that he did something wrong, and now has to hope for the best as far as the consequences of that behavior.
You believe that regardless of what the disposition on sentencing is, he still has a lot to offer? Absolutely.
This is a bright young man, and he made a mistake, and you know, he's lost his job at the city, lost his reputation, hopefully not forever, but he's a fine, smart, honorably discharged veteran. He's got a master's degree. He's got a lot to offer. Good family man, and so hopefully the best thing to do when you're reading a bad chapter in a book is turn the page and move on to the next chapter. And so hopefully that's what this last step of the proceedings will be.
Is there a lesson that can be learned from this?
Think twice. So,
thank you.